You know, Rex, this is the life. This is relaxation. This is so chill. I'm so glad I started my new treatment, my relaxation treatment. Rex, pretty sure you're supposed to cut the cucumbers before you put them on your eyes. You look ridiculous. What? Cookies are the staple of relaxation. They are way better than cucumbers. You know what? If it were the old, unrelaxed Michael, I'd probably continue arguing, but I am so calm and relaxed that I'm not even gonna get into it. And I know you are too. Oh, we're supposed to be making a video, Rex. We don't take day offs here, but we are very relaxed. And there's only, well, should we tell them the secret, Rex? Should we tell them the secret of relaxation that we started? We got 2 words for you. Bath bomb. And since you guys are watching this video, we're gonna go ahead and share the secrets for how to make your very own bath bomb at home and be able to relax just like us. So you're not gonna help make the video? You're so calm and relaxed that you don't wanna help? Rex, we got a due date. We gotta show them the secret to relaxation. You know what? I'm so calm and relaxed right now that I'm gonna do it without you. So you go ahead and, that's my drink, Rex! Calm and relaxed Michael is here, so I'm not even gonna get upset. Let's go to the next slide. Let's start the video. All right, guys, your journey to relaxation starts here. And I'm going to be showing you guys the recipe for creating your very own bath bomb. Got my glasses ready. They're not prescription, but they make me feel a little bit smarter. So, these are the ingredients you're gonna need to make this. So there's citric acid, baking soda, cornstarch, Epsom salt, essential oil of your choice, water, and olive oil. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix all of these ingredients together. So first up, we're gonna mix all the non-wet ingredients. So I got half a cup of citric acid, and I'll put everything that we used for this video in the details in the description. So you guys know exactly the recipe for making your very own bath bomb. So I got half a cup of citric acid, 1 cup of baking soda, half a cup of cornstarch, half a cup of Epsom salt. I got lavender flavor because it's so calm, just like me. And the first thing we're gonna do is mix our dry ingredients. All right, guys, I mixed all my dry ingredients. Remember to mix them well. You wanna make sure that they are all in together. I did get lavender Epsom salt, and it is a little potent. It's pretty, well, it's pretty strong, and you can really smell it. So it doesn't have to be that type, but that's just what I chose. So we finished mixing all of the dry ingredients. So next what we're gonna do is our wet ingredients. So in here, I have a teaspoon of water, a teaspoon of olive oil, and some essential oils that I put in. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add my wet mixture to my dry very slowly. And let me show you guys something. Whenever you put it in, you get this, you can see it start to fizz a little bit. So we're gonna make sure to mix it quickly. All of our wet ingredients with our dry ingredients, and we're gonna mix it in well. All right, and we're gonna let this sit for a few minutes. We'll be back. All right, guys, I got my mixture here. I mixed in my wet ingredients with my dry ingredients. We let it sit. I ended up having to add just a little bit more water and oil just to, because you want it to be like wet sand is how you would want it. So for my mold, you can use any shape, any sphere, just as long as you're able to close it. So what I got this egg mold because Easter is coming up. So what we're gonna do is we are going to grab our mold, we're gonna put our mixture in here, and we're gonna close it, and we're gonna let it sit for a while and make sure it can get into the shape. All right, so we're gonna leave it in here and we're gonna keep it in this mold, and we'll come back later to see if it came out the way we wanted it to come out. All right guys, we're back. I took my bath bomb out of the mold, and it probably would have came out a little bit better if I left it in for more time, but I just couldn't wait. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it into this water and we're gonna see what happens. So let's see if our experiment worked. Guys, this is the secret to relaxation. This is the secret to being so calm, just like me. If you guys wanted, you guys can always add food coloring to the bath bomb before you guys mold it, and it will be a different color. But you guys can't smell this, but it smells delicious, calming, soothing, and I'm just gonna go relax some more. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys watch all of our other content on our YouTube channel. We have so much for you guys to watch. And until next time, I'll see ya.